Hi, I'm Cody Leike, RV sales consultant here at Lichtsinn RV. We are excited to introduce an exclusive Lichtsinn RV installed Revel package, which provides additional power, additional living space, and additional storage space in the already dynamic Winnebago Revel 4x4. The Lichtsinn Storage and Power Package, referred to as the LSP package, combines the GLSS system by Canyon Adventure Vans with an additional 320 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. The additional battery, when paired with the Revel's standard 320 amp-hour battery, provides a total of 8,266 watt-hours. In addition, 2 rear power switches will be installed so that you can easily turn off either battery individually. The lounge area GLSS system creates another livable space and storage area inside your Revel. The system includes proper ventilation gaps to ensure your Revel batteries have sufficient ventilation throughout the bench seat area. It includes a lagoon mount and table for a flexible addition for a secondary dining or work surface, and it fits perfectly inside the Revel's gear garage. The system is lightweight and durable, made with 80/20 aluminum. The cushions are marine grade, so they will hold up to whatever your Revel adventures have in store. Add the Lichtsinn Storage and Power Package to turn your Revel garage into the ultimate power and storage area. A certified Lichtsinn RV RVTI certified technician will install the exclusive LSP package for you. Contact a Lichtsinn RV sales or service consultant for additional details on the exclusive LSP Revel package.